check out my video, it got a few million impressions. But then YouTube stopped recommending my video until I implemented a fix, and as you can see, it blew up again. And after being on YouTube since 2012, I found 7 fixes to the recommendation problem. One of them is adding a fundraiser, like I added on my 1 million viewed video. Now if you want to know how you can add it to your videos too, just comment the word fix below and I will send you how you can unlock this feature for free. But what can you already do to keep getting impressions? Well, let's talk about psychology, more specifically. How confused brains don't click and tired brains don't stay. My best videos were aligned with Sweller's cognitive load theory. I know it's a mouthful, but it basically says that the more mental effort it takes to process something, the less likely people are to engage with it. What is the hard part? Making sure that your team members apply this principle too. I mean, I've hired over 50 people and it takes a lot of time to give them all the context. For instance, this morning I took 45 minutes or so to give written feedback to my video editor. One of the moments, my face was on the left side of the screen with a big hook like text on the right side of the screen in the edits, and I told my editor to flip it, just like I've done in the past on this video. I mean, not just theory, but also data from my previous video shows me some sort of proof that this is based on truth. And truth is all I care about. So I asked him to put my face on the right and the text on the left. Now why? Why is this? Because people read from left to right. The message leads and the face supports it. It's not important unless you have like a famous person. But I mean, who cares about my face? That's why it's on the left bottom corner. The brain doesn't need to figure out what's going on. Now this may seem small, it has a big impact because we tested it. It's the exact layout that also gave me the highest click-through rates in my thumbnail A/B test, not just the video edits. So this again seems like one tiny change, but it reduced friction, improved clarity, because the focus of the viewer is now somewhere else on the important parts on the screen, not my face. And it likely increases average view duration and click-through rate, that I know for sure. And thus more likely to give me results of previous videos I've made, as you can see here. Now I've messaged him 15 other things to change. And if you comment the word fix below, I will also send you 2 other big changes that you can replicate in your videos to avoid YouTube from stopping to recommend your videos. Again, it's free, just like my free thumbnail pack that I've spent hours and hours on after I've designed over 1000 thumbnails. And also my free Google Sheet with 70 plus YouTube tools. Unsponsored, not affiliated. Just a list of free tools that I wish someone sent me before I made over $5 million. And hired 50 people and wasted a lot of money on all these subscription tools that charge you every month for things you often don't need. That being said, 1 million viewed videos like mine are nice. Yet if there's one other big thing that I wish someone told me before I blew up, it is this. I explain why I lost a lot of views and money by not knowing it sooner in this video. It's honestly, I think, one of my best videos. Watch it here or not. Talk soon.